wondering where am I today? Yes. Uh, Guys, I had got a tremendous support when I was shooting a series named Ashiana, where I had expressed each and every detail with regards to renovation of a 2 BHK flat. So, post that, there were a lot of mails asking that when am I going to start my new series. So, I did try to start a 4 BHK, a 3 BHK, and relevant series, but it was same similar. So, I was not very keen in doing that. But today I'm very happy because I'll be starting a bungalow renovation, and this series I'll be documenting each and everything with regards to the development. The change here is that until now I was only doing renovations, which was interior designing with execution. So, broadly saying, it was a turnkey interior designing projects which I was doing. But this project is very special because I'll be also doing the construction here. So, since back then, I started my journey as a civil engineer, later turned into an interior designer. So I think the I'm back to my roots. So I'll be starting the construction along with the renovation. So this is a road. The place where I'm walking is the road, and this is the first pole, first boundary pole. So actually, the plot area is half acre. So this is the first start point of the proposed bungalow. So now I'll be traveling towards the peripheral side so that you understand the width of the plot, the frontage, and so many things. So to be very frank, this is an open canvas. I haven't thought anything that where I'm going to have the villa, how many bedrooms will it have, what are the other essentials which will be a part of the bungalow. So many things, where the parking will be, where will the swimming pool, or whether I'm going for a swimming pool or not. So many things are piled up. So I want the curiosity to be there. So So now we are moving ahead. This is the road. This will be the road towards the bungalow. So as I mentioned, that was the pole. Now this entire pole will go, it will run straight. This is the second point. I'll again take you to the second point. So this is the second point. Moving ahead. Now this road is going to be a kind of a curvy road. So the place where I'm walking is the actual road, and this is the third point of the plot. So just have a look here. This is the third point of the plot.
This is the
This is
middle of the
actually
road.
the center point of the road, and this will be again shifting to 3 meters inside. So that will be the third point of the plot. Now moving ahead, the plot boundary stretch straight, and now as it was curved, it's going to move here. Uh, and here, what you see is the fourth point. This is again the center point of the road. So 3 meter from here. So this is the fourth point which I mentioned. And now from this point, the plot will again go straight. The plot will come this way, and from here the last point I'll take you there. So that is the end of the plot. So this is basically the length of the plot. It's so great here. No noise, no pollution. I can hear birds chirping, the soft noise of leaves falling down. So never imagined all these things, but it just came on, and I think me and my husband, we grabbed the opportunity of having this project along with construction. So guys, there, I may not be able to go there, but that's the end. That's the end
This is
point,
the
end goal.
pole.
Now again, you
This
see
is
the
the
white
boundary.
lining. So this white lining will go straight. Now I'll take you to the second part.
This is the entire plot. We are inside the plot.
So this line is actually the boundary of a plot, and towards that end is the last end of the other side of this bungalow plot.
So this line goes all the way to that pole over there, and straight, if we go that side, there is another pole. That is the boundary of that
So this
that
entire
side.
area is the plot area. Now we are walking in the plot, and one thing I missed, the other voice which you are actually listening is my husband, and I'm so thankful to him that he got ready to shoot the video. So he's taking efforts and showing you the demarcation of the plot.
Okay, so here we have this boundary line. This goes all the way to that side, and there is a similar pole there. So this is the plot we are in. It's a half an acre plot, 2000 square meter. So quite a lot of space to design.
Also, the other thing which I would like to highlight is the topography of the land. It is not a flat land, so yes, it is going to be challenging because there are so many things which I need to be conscious about. Precisely, it's the retention wall, because it's a sloping area. There has to be a firm retention wall. So apart from retention wall, there are other essentials which are the foundation of any construction. That's the type of footing, the type of foundation, the technicalities of the RCC slab. Then all this, once it is done, then it will be the interior designing, detailing, which I normally do. But I think that will come at a later stage. But initially I'll be focusing more on planning. So currently we have started the work, and today it is the first video. We are just in the process of actually demarcating the land and going ahead with a compound wall. So at the moment we are just going for basic compound wall. Compound wall will be a combination of stone masonry and fabrication work. So initially we'll be just going for those kind of things, and then the other essentials like the water connection, the MSCB connection, that is also in process. So probably by next week we should expect the MSCB and the water line to be activated. So once that is done, then definitely there will be a momentum with regards to the groundwork. But yes, my office work, which is actually designing, planning, thinking of, what are the things which I want in this project, what are the things which we are looking forward to have, what are the things which we are not wanting in this project. Then the costing, I don't want to go very overboard. I want this to be, somewhere in budget. So which materials to be used, how the look is going to be. So this series is going to be very interesting, and yes, this is going to be a long series, because it's not that it will be just 3 or 4 months the construction or the renovation would be done. No, it is going to take time, and I believe you guys always support me, so I expect the same support for this series as well. Just one thing which I would like to focus is the place where I'm standing now. This is the highest point of this plot, so you can just see the view. So at the moment the land is not clean. Once we clean this place, maybe we will be in a position to see, what view actually we are anticipating for the villa or for the bungalow. So many things, but yes, um, this is it, and we are very happy that we started this. So looking forward for so many learning, so many new things which will come in the way. So stay tuned, be stay tuned, and as always I expect immense support for this series, and we'll catch you up soon in the next video. Probably I might post these videos once in a week, because this is around 1 hour 45 minutes from my place. So every day is not possible, and every day, I mean, the development currently which is going on is not that fast where I need to have every day, where I need to come every day here. So maybe once in a week I'll be having a footage of this series. Apart from that, when I start my planning and when we land up on some good conclusions, I'll definitely have those videos where I'll take you to the planning part, budgeting part, the designing ethics, even the sourcing part. So there are lot many things coming up in your way. Thank you so much. This is me, Bhakti Akshay, and last but not the least, in case if you wish to have any renovations or any construction come renovation projects in your mind, do contact me on my email address and my team will get back to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.